The trial against former Judiciary Chief Registrar Gladys Boss Shollei and her co-accused continued today at the Milimani Law Courts over charges of abuse of office. Caroline B. has those details.
3 witnesses were lined up by the prosecution to testify against Gladys Boss Shollei and her co-accused. The 3 witnesses, at one point attached to the judiciary in Nairobi, were part of the tendering committee for the shortlisting and recommendation of firms to be awarded tenders for the prefabrication of court buildings. The witnesses are Onesmus Nzomo, a supply chain manager with the National Treasury, but later seconded to the judiciary; and Wamboi Wanjohi, a senior court clerk at the Supreme Court; and Bridget Chepkemoi, an executive officer at the Nakuru Law Courts, testified to not having witnessed any inappropriate acts in the tendering process. The prosecution had earlier filed a request of amendment on the charges facing the accused to include the word joint, terming it as a minor amendment. The defense team rejected the amendments, saying it would confuse the case and have an effect on fair trial. Senior Principal Magistrate Liz Gisheha, hearing the case, however, allowed the prosecution leave to make the amendments. One of the witnesses, Onesmus Nzomo, was taken to task to explain his involvement with the EACC following his secondment to the judiciary as a whistleblower with the anti-graft body. Nzomo could not provide relevant documents on his role at the EACC. The cross-examination is set to continue Tuesday, with other witnesses having been lined up for the case. Caroline B., KTN News.